first graders, welcome to Unit 3, Week 3, Day 3. I'm going to say a word and then we will break it apart into the sounds. A miss. Oh, it's not miss, it's mice. I-s. 3 sounds. I'm going to say some more words and we will break them apart into their sounds. Sell. S, e, o. 3 sounds. Edge. E-j. 2 sounds. Face. A-s. 3 sounds. Nice. I-s. 3 sounds. Stage. S-t. A-j. 4 sounds. Sludge. S-l-a-j. 4 sounds. Okay, so this is our 3rd day working on this. Please remember, Sneaky C says s. 3, 2, 1, race. 3, 2, 1, page. 3, 2, 1, nice. 3, 2, 1, stage. 3, 2, 1, face. 3, 2, 1, rage. 3, 2, 1, rice. 3, 2, 1, cage. 3, 2, 1, mice. 3, 2, 1, sage. 3, 2, 1, lice. And then I wanted to show you one thing that I ended up showing my students in person that I forgot to tell you about. So let me get my pen, and what I want you to notice is when I have D, G, E, there are 2 letters before the E. Super E cannot jump over 2 letters. It can only jump over 1. So when I have page, Super E can jump over 1 letter. See how it jumped over the G? So that's why it says its name. But if I have the word wedge, Super E cannot jump over 2 letters. It has to stop. And so it says eh, not E. Otherwise it'd be weege, which isn't a word. So when it's G-E, generally it will say its name, because there will be 1 letter. But if there's D-G-E, it cannot jump over both of them, so it'll be the short sound. Okay, let's continue. Age. Word, page. I'll let you have a go. Word, cage. Together, b-a-j. Word, badge. Together, oh, your turn. Word, spice. Together, ace. Word, grace. Okay, let's look at some of our sounds for today. 3, 2, 1, j. 3, 2, 1, a. 3, 2, 1, s. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, ing. 3, 2, 1, j. 3, 2, 1, sm. 3, 2, 1, pull. 3, 2, 1, I. 3, 2, 1, j. 3, 2, 1, s. 3, 2, 1, a. Okay, let's look at some words. We'll do the first few together. Edge. Word, edge. Together. Udge. Word, fudge. Together. Ace. Word, face. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1, nice. Together. Ace. Word, brace. Your turn. 3, 2, 1, ice. Together. And scent. Your turn. Your turn. 3, 2, 1, rage. Together, budge. Word, budge. And what you'll notice is here's my super E. It cannot jump over 2, so it says not you. Okay, next word. Oh, your turn. 3, 2, 1. Fence. Together. Pull, ace, place. Your turn. Your turn. 3, 2, 1. Race. Okay, now this time it's going to be we'll take turns. 3, 2, 1. Piled. So even though there's a D there, we still have the super E. Okay, together. Pull, aced. Word, placed. It's in the past. So ED means it's in the past. Ooh, ING means it's happening right now. 3, 2, 1. Making. So even though there's no E, we cross off the E and put ING. And that's making. Okay, let's do one together. Another one together. 3, 2, 1. Riding. So even though there's no E, we cross off the E, put ING. It's happening right now. Okay, your turn. 3, 2, 1. Slicing. Together. 3, 2, 1. Smiled. ED means it's in the past. You smiled in the past. 3, 2, 1. Baked. 3, 2, 1. Tracing. 3, 2, 1. Liked. 3, 2, 1. Space. 3, 2, 1. Spice. And I just wanted to point out, when there's an ED, once again, when an ED is after a verb, it means it's in the past. When an ING is after a verb, at the end of a verb, it means it's happening right now. Okay, let's look at this 5-star sentence. Lance raced past the fence. We have our capital. We have our end mark, which is a period. Okay, let's look at our next one. Madge. Once again, we have our double letter, so it doesn't say A, it says A. Madge danced on the stage. We have our capital, and our end mark is a period this time. Let's look at our high frequency words. Any, 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 any. Do you have any time to play? From. The cake came from the shop. Happy, 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 happy. The dog is happy when I pet his face. Once. Once I ran a mile. So. It is hot, so I will play inside. Upon. Once upon a time, a king had a magic stone. Okay, let's look at our story for today. King and 5 mice. Okay, let's look at some of the words we'll have. 3, 2, 1. Once. 3, 2, 1. Upon. 3, 2, 1. Of. 3, 2, 1. Was. 3, 2, 1. So. 3, 2, 1. Said. 3, 2, 1. Out. 3, 2, 1. We. 3, 2, 1. Could. 3, 2, 1. Any. Okay, here is our story. Okay, here we go. So let's look at it. Let's see some of our sight words. There's once and upon. Then we have king. I see space, which has sneaky C. Edge. Okay, I'm going to let you go first, then we'll do it together. Together. King and 5 mice. Okay, your turn first. Together. Once upon a time, a cat had the name of King. King had a space to rest. It was at the edge of the green grass. Okay, let's look for more of our patterns. I see mice. There's king again. King. face, and happy is one of our sight words. Okay, your turn first. Together. Then 5 mice went on top of King's face. It did wake him up. King made a face that was not so happy. Okay, there's King again. There's a rage, mice, cage, mice. Okay, your turn. Together. King was in a rage. He had the mice in a cage. The 5 mice said, "Let us out. We can help." Okay, so there's King again. Mice, chance with Sneaky C at the end. Mice and cage. Okay, your turn first. Together. King did ask, "Can mice help me? I will take a chance." The 5 mice ran fast from that cage. Okay, your turn. There's King, Fudge, mice, King, and mice. Okay, your turn first. Together. Then on a hunt, King got in a net. He could not budge in any way. The 5 mice came and bit the net. King got out. Such fine mice. So I'm sure King was very happy he let the mice out first. So once again, we're talking about verbs. A verb is an action. So if I have the word pledge, like we pledge to the flag, pledge allegiance, when we have it in the past, we add an ed, so it becomes pledged. And then when we have it happening right now, we cross off the e and put ing, so pledging. Let's look at a few more of these. So race, that's a verb, that's something you can do. If it's in the past, we would say raced. And even though it says t, we still put an ed, that means it's in the past. Now, if we're going to say racing, we cross off the I, the E, and put ing, racing. That's happening right now. Let's look at 2 more. Cringe means you don't like something. So cringe is a verb. If it's in the past, it'd be cringed. Cringed. And then if it's happening right now, you would cross off the E and write ing, cringing. Last one. Judge. If you have to judge someone, you decide whether they're right or wrong about something. If we want to put it in the past, we write judged. See how it says d? Judged. Oh wait, judged. Judged. It's a T. Judged. Sorry about that. So even though it says t at the end, we still put the ed for it's the past, so that it's the past. If we want to change it to right now, we cross off the e and put ing. Judging. One more trick. If we want to make it happen in the future, we write will judge. That means future. Okay, everyone, I'll talk to you later. Bye.